Yeah,
Thank you,
super
Mom,
like it.
Daddy.
Happy birthday!
You know, too many gifts.
Oh.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Welcome to my family.
Hello guys! Meron bukas?
It's my birthday tomorrow.
Yes! How old are you na?
4.
Very good. So guys, may mga nagbigay ng gifts sa kanya from Security Bank. Ayan. So sa mga ka-workmate ni Mama G. And then, gusto na niyang i-open guys. So, i-open na natin. Kasi hindi na namin din siya dadalhin tomorrow. Babiyahe kami papuntang Pampanga! We have gift for you. Don't be her gift. That's mommy and daddy's gift, ha? Okay. You open. Guys, magugulat siya sa gift namin. Di na kasi natin to dadalhin sa biyahe natin bukas. Kaya i-open na. I-open na. Sige, go.
Open there.
Wow! What's that kaya? What is mommy and daddy's gift kaya for you?
One more box.
Ha?
One more box.
Mommy and daddy's gift for Ria.
What's
Ay, may
this?
tape to ka na.
What's this?
Wait, we will open it.
I close my eyes.
Yeah, you close your eyes. You open. What is that? What is that, Lee?
Laptop!
Huh? Yes, you have laptop na. Wow!
You open.
You open here.
Yeah,
Yan.
galing.
Galing nga. Open ang laptop ah. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Then, nilagyan ko na yan guys ng ano niya. Ang password niya. Siyempre, kinalikot ko na yan. Ano ba yung nagtatrabaho tayo sa laptop company? Ayan. Ang binili nating laptop for Z. There's a lot of games na dyan, oh. Mommy put a games na there. Wow. You like it?
Yeah.
You want to play a game?
Yeah?
There, oh. Yan. You double click it.
My daddy have a laptop too.
Yeah.
What is going on here? Thank you,
It's
Mom,
super
Daddy. I like to play.
Busy na siya, guys.
This one. No, pala. This one.
That's it.
Wow.
What's different here?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Wow.
Fantastic.
Wow. Ang galing agad ah.
Beautiful.
Ang galing agad ng laptop ah.
Thank you, Mommy.
Ayan, next naman tayo guys. Ito, may letter eh. Wait. Ang sabi niya dyan ay to Baby Zia, happy birthday. Tita Liza from Security Bank. Okay, open na. Wow! Yeah, it's Mickey Mouse. Yes. Wow! Pillow.
Open it.
Oh.
So big the ears.
Yeah, so big yung ears niya.
It's like a real Tita Mouse.
Yeah, it's like a real Mickey Mouse.
There. So very big.
Yeah.
Thank you, Tita Liza.
Okay, see? Wow, so pretty.
My name is Miriam.
Good morning. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I love you.
Love you.
Oh. Sleepy ka pa? Ah. Yes? He's still sleepy? Huh?
Good morning, baby. Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hello guys! So, andito na kami sa binok namin for Zia's birthday. At kami naka-Mickey Mouse, oh. Ako naka-Minnie. Friends naka-Mickey Mouse. Ang birthday girl, paikot-ikot na dito sa, sa resort. Ang ganda! Ayan oh, ang ganda guys. May bilyaran siya doon. Ito yung isang room nila. Tapos yun yung isang room namin. Tapos meron silang outdoor kitchen dito. And then may indoor kitchen too. Ayan siya. So diba very aesthetic. Ay, dito na yung birthday girl. Birthday girl! Naka Minnie Mouse. Paano yung ano mo? Paano yung... yun ay yung nasa damit niya. Lahat guys, naka Mickey Mouse. Yun o, baby Oxy, Mickey. Mickey Mouse ba to? Parang Winnie the Pooh. Okay. So, check naka Mickey Mouse din.
I take my weed, play it a beautiful girl. Take it, you naughty hottie, you naughty hottie, you naughty hottie. Play it all into you. Today is your birthday.
Okay, mag-open na siya ng gifts. Okay, open. This is from kanino to? Nana?
Baby Axel.
From Baby Axel.
Ay, hindi. Baby yata to.
Oo, okay na yun.
Ayan, hindi kay Baby Axel yan, baby.
Dali, open kang gift.
Baby Axel yan.
What's inside? Wow! Easy! Wow, watch! That's from Kuya Sander. Wow! Wow! Tinong ko. Ay, Tito Ochik! Oo, nababag siya yung ano. Cute! Wow! O, give mami na yan. Give mami na. Ay, wow, isusuot pa. O. Ayan, masaya. Oh! What's that? Wow, ang ganda! Ang comb!
So many gifts.
Yeah! That's from?
That's ano na lang yan. That's Nonong Edo.
Nonong Eloy. What's that?
Chocolate egg.
Chocolate egg? Wow! You like it? Wow! Oh, give mommy na.
Meron pa bibiit something pa.
Yes! Meron pa bibili something.
Yes.
What's that?
Yeah, no.
That's from Nanang Peng and Nonong Janjan.
Thank you.
Thank you. What's that? Wow, 500,000.
No. Kita mas bata.
Wow! Wow, cute! So nice! Yeah. That's from Mama.
You know?
What's that? What's that? Wow, you have a school bag na.
I see.
Oh, faster dali!
We hear the sound.
Yeah.
Hello, is. Dito naman. Dapat naman ka na.
What's that?
How did you know?
Is.
Ah, frog!
You know. Is.
Wow, I think it's a dress.
What is that? A dress?
Yes. Kuya Sanders gift.
Oh no.
Oh.
Kita na.
Wow! A travel pillow. That's from Nanang Joy.
Okay na yan.
Anong yung gatan?
Yes, it's good.
What's that, Z? A milk? Wow! What did you say?
Thank you.
That's from Bebe.
Wow!
Notes kita na.
Yes! Yay! Happy birthday! Meron pa palang gift! Nanang's gift! Nanang's gift! Oh, wow! A water gun!
Thank you.
Oh, yes, you.
Cutie! DIY lang tayo. Uy, bahay ni Kuya ba to? Uy, gising na sa bahay ni Kuya. Big Brother house. You tell them, wake up na ha. Ah.